Good morning, y'all. Back at the mill again. Bib wearing season. Definitely chilly out there, but got the heater running in here. Oop. Get to work on Big Red again. Cutting and welding, pins in. Another beautiful day in the mill hood. There it goes. 1 second. Milwaukee lights are the best, but here we are. Bent out, pushed out, so cutting that whole pin out again and welding it all in. Great day, great day. I hope y'all have a wonderful, terrific day. This is gonna be, it's chilly here, but they just brought that from the melt, so it's nice and hot. Gotta cut these big enough to put them in, and getting to be a lot. Always having to do it. This thing won't quit breaking. I don't understand it. So, with that being said, I hope y'all have a great day. I will be back soon, and we'll get these up and going. So if you could take 3 seconds out of your day and subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and throw me a comment, man. Like, I promise it ain't that bad. I've been slacking a little bit on doing stuff on here. I've been doing a little bit on the other app, quite a bit. Over there, I already have 1,000 followers, so trying to build them up on both platforms. So if you could, please subscribe to my channel, and we'll get everything rocking and rolling. Talk to you soon. Thank you.